Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into the Gemini Wallet, which is a platform that prides itself on security and user experience. So let's see if it lives up to the hype or not. So Gemini offers a user-friendly wallet that supports over 80 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is designed for both beginners and seasoned traders, providing a seamless experience across web and mobile platforms. Now, security is a top priority for Gemini. They offer insurance against certain types of losses from their hot wallet backed by the world-class underwriter. Plus, their processes are SOC 2 Type 2 complaint, ensuring robust internal control. You can also set up approval addresses to restrict the withdrawals, adding an extra layer of protection. Another standout feature of Gemini Wallet is their 24/7 customer support. So, whether you are facing issues with deposit withdrawals or just have questions, Gemini's support team is readily available to assist. Now, using the Gemini wallet is also straightforward. The intuitive design makes it easy to buy, sell, and store your crypto assets. They continually upgrade their infrastructure in order to support new currencies and optimize user experience. While Gemini offers a secure and user-friendly platform, it is essential to be aware of the fees associated with the trading and withdrawals. So some users have found these fees to be higher as compared to other exchanges. So is the Gemini wallet right for you in 2025? In my opinion, if you prioritize security, regulatory compliance, and response customer support, it's definitely worth considering. Just keep an eye on the fee structure to ensure it aligns with your trading habits. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto insights. And let me know your thoughts on Gemini Wallet in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.